Hi there, and welcome to day 2 of Binary 30, a nonsensical coding challenge where I write common interview algorithms using the ASCII binary representation. I've got to practice these questions anyway, so we might as well have some fun with it. The rules of the challenge are simple. I have nothing to go off of other than my memory and whatever I write on the whiteboard. Any incorrect numeric calculation will cause the code to fail. We'll keep track of how many binary 30 questions I get wrong or right. And currently I am 1 for 1, so let's hope that the streak continues. Today's question we'll be tackling finding the middle node in a linked list. So we're given the head of a linked list, and we'll use a tortoise and the hare approach, where we have 2 pointers, S for slow and F for fast. Fast goes twice as fast as slow, so when fast reaches the end, we know slow is at the halfway point. All right, so let's get started by writing out the function keyword. So I'm just going to go ahead and refresh my screen. Okay, so first letter is F in function. So F is 102. So that's going to give us 1. So 64 and 32 is 96, plus 4 is 100, plus 2 is 102. So we've got 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Cool. The next character is U. U is 117. So 64 and 32 is 92, plus 16 is 112, plus 4 is 116, plus 1 is 117. 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. Cool. The third character is N. N is 110. So that'll give us 64 and 32 is 96, plus 8 is 104, plus 4 is 108, plus 2 is 110. Okay. On to the letter C, which is 99. So C is 99. 64 and 32, 96, plus 2 is 98, plus 1 is 99. 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 3, 1. T gets us 116, so 96, 112, 116. Function. So after T is I. I is 105. So that's 96, plus 8 is 104, plus 1 is 105. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. On to the letter O. O is 111. So we've got 96 already, plus 8 is going to be 104, plus 4 is going to be 108, plus 2 is 110, plus 1 is 111. Okay, and now we've got the last character for our function keyword, and that is 110. And so 64, 32, 96, 104, 108, 110. I believe that's correct. So 96, 104, 108, 110. Okay. So we have our function keyword. Next is a space. Space is 32, so 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So now we have to name our function. Our function will be named middle node, so we need M. M is 109. So 64 and 32 is 96, 104, 108, and then a 1 in the ones place. So 2, 4. Is that correct? It's 96, 104, 108, 109. Okay. Now we are on to I. I is 105. So we've got 64 and 32, plus 8 is 104, plus 1 is 105. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. So now we are on to the letter D. That's code 100. And so we're going to need 2 of these to spell middle. So 96 and then 4. 0. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Do that again. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Now we're moving on to the letter L. L is 108. And so we just got to switch this 0 to a 1 in the 8th spot. So 96, 104, 108. Cool. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. Let's go on to the letter E. Um, 96, 100, 101. Middle node. So now we have a capital N. N is code 78, 64, 72, 76, 78. I think that's correct. So let's see here. 64 plus 8 is 72, 76, 78. All right, so 64. Yep, okay. On to O. O is 111. It's 96, 104, 108, 110, 111. Okay. Now we have another D. D is 100, so we got 96 plus 4. That should get us 100. 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. And then E is just going to be 101, and so we can just swap this 0 to a 1. So 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Middle node. Cool. So let's go ahead and add a space. It's code 32. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. On to code 40. So we're going to add a parentheses now. And then we'll have a parameter named head. So 32 and 8. Okay. Now we're going to spell out head. Head is H. H is 104. So 64, 32, and 8 should add up to 104. Cool. Head. So E is 101. So let's go ahead and change this. So the 4 will have a 1, and then the 1's place will also have a 1. So I think that gets us 96, 100, 101. Okay, on to A. A is 97. So we've got the 64's place, 32's place, and the 1's place. That adds up to 97. And then lastly, we have D. So D is 100. Now let's add a closing parentheses, so 41 will give us 32 plus 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Now I'm going to go ahead and add in a space, so 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we're going to have an opening bracket for our function. And that's going to be code 1, 2, 3. 64 and 32 is 96, plus 16 is 112, 120, 122, 123. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1, 1. Cool. Let's go ahead and go on to a new line. So that's going to be new line, which is a code of 10. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0. Awesome. So we're on a new line. Since we're inside of the function, we're going to want to have a little bit of indentation. So I'm going to add in 2 spaces. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now that we've got 2 spaces, we're going to go ahead and declare a variable. So the first variable we'll declare will be s. It'll be the slow pointer. So we'll use the let keyword to declare the variable. So that is a code of 108. So 64, 32 is 96, plus 8 is 104, plus 4 is 108. Okay. Now let's go ahead and add in e. E is 101. So 96, 100, 101. Then let's wrap up with the letter T, 116. So that gives us 96 plus 16 is 112, plus 4 is 116. Cool. So 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. Now let's add in a space before naming our variable s. 115, 64, 32, 112, 114, 115. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 0, 0, 1, 1. Great. We'll go ahead and add in another space. And now we're going to have the equals sign. So 61 is the code for that. So 32 and 16 is 48, plus 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60, plus 1 is 61. Okay. Let's add in another space. And now we are going to add head. So H is 104. 32 is 96. Plus 8, so that's 104. 0, 0, 0. 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 0. 64 is 96. Okay. Next, we're going to add in the letter E, since S is equal to head. So E is the second character, that's 101. 96, 100, 101. Okay, now moving on to the letter A, just a code of 97. So we've got 96 plus the ones place is 97. Okay, and then we'll wrap it up with the letter D. So D is 100. So that'll be 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. 96, 100. Cool, so S is equal to head. Now let's add a semicolon, which is code 59. So 32, 16 is 48, 56, 58, 59. Okay, now we want to get onto a new line. And so we know the new line code is 1, 2, 3, 4, then 1, 0, 1, 0. And then we're going to want to continue spacing. So we'll do 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we can indent one more. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Great. Now let's go ahead and declare our f variable, which will be the fast pointer. So 108, 64, 32 is 96, 104, 108. 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0. And then E is 101. So got 96, 100, 101. Okay, now moving on to the letter T. T is 116. So we've got 112, 116. Okay. 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So we've just gone ahead and used the let keyword. Let's add a space. Now we're going to call this one F for fast. So F is 102. So we'll go 64, 32 is 96, plus 4 is 100, plus 2 is 102. Cool. Okay, another space over here. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have F, and it will equal head. So now we need the equal sign. So that's code 61. Oops. Equal is code 61. 32 and 16 is 48, plus 8 is 56, plus 4 is 60, plus 1 is 61. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then one more space, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we will set it equal to head. I think I've got that right? So 96. Yeah, I think so. Okay. So head H. H is 104. 64, 32 is 96. 8 is 104. So 96, 100, 101. 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Now we're on to A. A is 97. So we've got 96 and then 97. So 0, 0, 0. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cool. And then the last character we're going to want is D, which is going to be a code of 100. So we just add a 1 in the fours place. So that'll give us 0, 1, 1, 1, 2, 1, 2. Cool. Now let's get onto a new line, but before that we'll add a semicolon. So 32 and 16 is 48, plus 8 is 56, plus 2 is 58, plus 1 is 59. 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0. Yeah, okay. Now we'll use the new line character, so 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. Oh. 4 zeros, and then 1, 0, 1, 0. Cool. So we're on a new line. We want to indent, so 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. Now, we're going to want to add in, actually, you know what, let's add, we're going to add 2 new lines just for spacing. So 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1, 0. And now 2 spaces for indentation. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Cool. So now let's make a while loop, and what we'll be checking is a condition of while the fast pointer is not equal to null and fast.next is not equal to null, then we do some stuff. So let's go ahead and write that out. So first we have our while loop. So W is 119, 64 and 32 is 96, plus 16 is 112, 116, 118, 119. So 112, okay. 0, 1, 2, 3. H is going to be 104. 96, 104. Okay, and then I is 105, so that's going to be really easy. So we can just change this 0 over here to a 1, so that should be 105, 96. Yeah. So we've got 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1. Okay. L is 108. So we have 96, 104, 108. Okay, and then we just need the letter E. E is 101. So 101. 4 will be 100 because we already have 96, and then 1. Okay, 0, 1, 1. Cool. Now we're going to go ahead and add a space. And then we'll add a parentheses. Parentheses is 40. 32 plus 8 is 40. Okay, so while f, which is the fast pointer, 96, 100, 102. So 0 while f and so we'll add in the bang operator, but first we will add in a space, and now we have the bang operator, which is 33, 0, 0, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So while f is not equal, 61, 48, 56, 60, 61, 1, 2, 3, 4, 48, 56, 60, 61, yep. So we're going to do that again. 0, 1. So while it's not equal to null, so first space, and then the letter N, which is 110, 96, 104, 108, 110. Next up is U. So U is 117, 96, 112, 116, 117. So it's 0, 1, 1, 1, 0, 1, 0, 1. 96, 112, 116, 117. Yep. Okay, and then we're going to move on to the letter L. Just code 108. Okay. 96, 104, 108. Okay, 96. Yeah. So we've got a second one for null. So cool. Then we're going to add in another space. And then we're going to add in the logical AND operator, which is ampersand. So ampersand is code 30. Ampersand is code 38. So that'll be 0, 0, 1, 32, 36, 38. Okay. We're going to need two of those. So 0, 0, 1, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0. Okay. Then let's add in a space. Cool. So the other thing we want to check for is f.next, if f.next is equal to null. So f is 102, 96, 100, 102. Okay. Okay. So the next character is going to be a period. That's code 46, 00, 32, 40, 44, 46. Okay. Now we're on N, which is 110, 96, 104, 108, 110. E is 101. Okay, 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. So we have E, so now X is 120, 96, 112, 120. Okay, so X is 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0. And then we can wrap that up with the letter T. So I think we just swap the 8's place. Oh, hold on. So T is 116. So we have 112, 116. Okay. So we want to make sure this is not equal to null. So first let's add in a space. Space is 32. Okay. Now the bang operator again. It's 33, 32, 33. Okay, so now we're on code. We're on the equal sign, which is code 61. G6, 60, 61. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then we're going to have this twice, so 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 0, 1. Cool. So we want to check if this is not equal to null. So first we'll have a space. Now n is 110, so 0, 96, 104, 108, 110. Six, 112, 116, 117. 96, 112, 116, 117. Okay. Now we're going to have two L's. L is 108. 104, 108. Right. 96, 104, 108. I have that again, so 0, 1, 1, 1, 1, 0, 0. Okay. So we're making sure that f.next is not equal to null. Okay, now we're going to want to close out our condition. So there we go. Whoops, messed that up. Okay. 41. So 32 plus 8 is 40, plus 1 is 41. Okay. Okay, so we just closed the parentheses. So now we're going to add a space. So 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then we are going to have a, actually, let's make sure it's 32, 8, yeah, okay. So now we have the space. We're going to have an opening curly bracket. 1, 2, 3, so that we can enter our while loop. So 64, 32 is 96, 112, 120, 122, 123. Okay, now we're going to have a new line character. New line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0. And now we're going to need to indent since we are inside of the while loop, so that's going to be 4 spaces. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 2, so 0, 0, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's 3. Cool, so we're inside of the while loop. Inside of here, we will have s equal s.next, which is the slow one, and so fast moves twice as fast, so f is going to equal f.next.next. So let's start with s. Character s, that's 115, 96, 112, 114, 115. Okay, s. And we're going to have the equals sign next, which is code 61, but first a space. Okay, so 32 and 16 is 48, plus 8 is 56, 60 and 61. Okay, and let's get one more space. So there's our 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now s is going to be equal to s.next, so s in here, which is 115. 64 and 32 is 96, 112, 114, 115. here. So code 46, 32, 40, 44, 46. Two, 8, 40, 44, 46. Okay, that's correct. 0, 0, 1, 0, 1. Cool. S dot next. So we have N, which is code 110, 6132 is 96, 104, 108, 110. E is 101, 01, 96, 100, 101. Okay, now X is 120, so 96, 112, 120. Right, so it's 96, 112, 120, cool. On to T, which is 116. So we're just going to switch the 8 and the 4 spot around, so I think that'll do it. So 112, 116. Cool, so that should cover S. Let's just go ahead and add a semicolon, so that's code 59. 32, 16 is 48, 56, 58, 59. Right, 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 0, 1, 1. Cool. Now let's get onto a new line and then get some proper indentation. So new line is 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0. And then 4 spaces will be 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 1. 2, 3, should be 4. So now F is going to equal to F dot next dot next. So F is 102, 96, 100, 102. There we go. Right, 96, 100, 102. So F. Let's add a space. $61, so 32 and 16 is 48, 56, 60, 61. Okay. One more space, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we'll do F again, so 102, 96, 100, 102. So F dot 32, 40, 44, 46. Okay. So I think we have to do next twice now, right? Because yeah, space, that's equals space F dot, okay. So we are on to next. Next is 110, 64, 32 is 96, 104, 108, 110. 96. So E is 101, it's 96, 100, 101. 20. So that's going to be 64, 32 is 96, 112, 120. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oops. So, oops. Hold on. 1, 2, 3, 4. I see. Let's double check the math there. 96, 112, 120. Okay, now T. So, with T, all we have to do is swap the 4s in the 8th spot. T 116. So, 0 and 1. So it's 96, 112, 116. And now since f is going twice as fast, we will chain dot next. So 46 is the period, 32, 40, 44, 46. I believe that's correct. 0, 1. Okay. On to N. N is 110, 96, 104, 108, 110. So we're adding E now, and that's going to be 96, 100, 101. Okay, then X. X is 120, so 96, 112, 120. Right, so that's 4. Okay. And then AT, like we said before, pretty easy swap. 6, 0, that'll be 4. Yeah, okay. So that's taken care of. Now let's go ahead and add a semicolon, which is code 59, 48, 56, 58, 59. Okay. All right, so now that we've got that, we want to get onto a new line. So new line. It's 10, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 0, 1, 0. Okay, and now let's close out of our while loop. So first we'll add 2 spaces. And then we'll add the closing curly bracket, 1, 2, 5. It's going to be 64, 32 is 96, 112, 120, 124, 125. Okay, right. All right. Now let's add 2 new lines. So 0, 0, 0, 0. Okay, now we're going to return S, right? Because that'll be the middle, since it's going half the speed of fast. So let's add 2 spaces. So 0, 0, 1. Great. Now R for return. So R is 114. 64, 32 is 96, 112, 114. Okay. On to E, which is 101, 96, 100, 101. Okay. T is 116. This is 112, 116. U is 117, so we just have to swap the ones place. It's going to be U. Okay. Then R is going to be 114, return, right? Return. 112, 114. Four, 108, 110. So N is 110, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1, 1, 0. Cool, so we have our return keyword, I think. And then we will add in a space. And now we just need the letter S because that's the slow value. Variable, 96, 112, 114, 115. Okay, then let's go in and add 59, 32, 16, 48, 56, 58, 59. 1, 1, 1, it's going to be 56, 59, cool. So we're returning S. Now let's get onto a new line. So that'll be 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. And then let's close out our function. So that'll be it's going to be code 125. So 64 and 32 is 96, 112, 120, 124, 125. Okay, I think that's our code. I guess we're about to find out. All right, let's go ahead and convert it. Okay, let's see here. So we have our middle node. S is equal to head, F is equal to head, while F is not equal to null, and F dot next is not equal to null. S is equal to S dot next, F is equal to F dot next dot next, return S. Okay, let's submit it. Cool, all right, so looks like we are 2 for 2, which is exciting. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and I look forward to seeing you in the next binary 30 video. Thanks, and have a great day.